Wall module function introduction, wall layout. Draw walls along axes. This command is used for the automatic drawing of walls along multiple axes. Draw walls along axes requires that axes must exist, and the axis layer must be set to the axis layer. Click the Draw Walls Along Axes function. Enter the width of the wall line to be drawn. Given that the eccentricity values of individual wall lines may differ, the eccentricity option in the double line drawing dialog has been disabled. The types of walls are classified into concrete walls and brick walls. Wall lines can be drawn as either solid lines or dashed lines. After selecting the wall type and the desired line type, specify the first point and the second point for generating wall lines on the grid. At wall line intersections, the program will perform break processing according to predefined priority rules. Draw walls along axes completed. Draw wall. This command is used to draw straight wall lines either continuously or individually. Click the Draw Wall function. Enter the width of the wall line to be drawn and its eccentricity value. Select the wall type and the line style. Wall line drawing methods are divided into continuous drawing and single segment drawing. Once parameters are set, click to pick the wall start point and the next point. Wall drawing completed. Copy wall. This command is used to copy straight walls. Beam lines must be placed on either the wall or wall BR layer. Click the Copy Wall function. Select the wall line to be copied. Next, click the location where you want the copy placed. The program will use the distance between the clicked point and the selected wall line as the default copy spacing. You can either keep clicking to place copies one after another, or type a number to make that many equally spaced copies in the same direction. Wall line copying completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.